Hello and welcome to another video from Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. My name is Kevin and today we're going to be introducing a scooter carrier, a 60-inch scooter carrier ramp. So to do the demonstration, we have one of our delivery technicians, Armin, showing the demonstration today, and he's going to be using the Pride Victory 10 LX 4-wheel mobility scooter. So this is one of the larger full-size mobility scooters, so it ranges from 47 inches in length from the front to the back, so it is a fairly large scooter. And as you can see, it fits perfectly on the cargo carrier. The carrier itself is fairly lightweight, weighing right around 50 pounds, holds right around 500 pounds, and it's also rust proof. So as you can see in the video, all we really had to do is pull the ramp down and drive right up the ramp. Once we drive up the ramp, as you can see, Armin here locked the ramp in, and now he's beginning to tie down the scooter. You do have to tie down the scooter, as while you are driving, nothing is holding it down, so there is a chance of it falling if it's not tied down onto the carrier. So from all four corners, we're going to tie this down, and then to continue the demonstration, we're going to show how you remove it from the carrier itself. Now Armin is going to go ahead and demonstrate how to remove the scooter. So the first step is to remove the four tie-down straps that we put on earlier. So he's going to remove all four, one in each corner of the scooter. Once we have removed the four tie-down straps, we then can begin unloading the scooter by removing the two pins on each side and lowering the ramp. We then begin to just turn the scooter on, and then we're going to reverse it down the ramp. Once your scooter is removed, you can then flip up the ramp and it just folds compact down for easy storage. We have this ramp and scooter both on display at our showroom located at 4840 Van Nuys Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks. You can also call us at 818-981-9906.